Hello, and welcome to a new EasyDigitals.com video tutorial. Remember, you can get all of our high-quality Photoshop and Photoshop Elements templates at EasyDigitals.com. Just click on the Products button. And don't forget to sign up for our monthly newsletter. We give away free templates and tutorials each and every month, along with product update info and coupons. Okay, Kim, what easy tutorial are you going to show us today?
Okay, so now we are going to design a sports poster with the sports design elements, and when we're finished it should look something like this. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, this is a poster that I created with the Sports Backdrops Volume 3, and I'm going to go ahead and select my player here. Turn that off. Select my player, and I'm going to click View, Fit on Screen so that I can see all of him, and I'm going to press my Shift key, and I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so I can get everything I want on here. I'm going to press Enter, and I'm going to change this so that the view is at like around 12.5. Okay, so now we get to start making our poster. So I'm going to open up my elements that I want to use, and the first one I'm going to use is this. And as you can see here, all these are in folders to make it pretty simple to move the entire folder over to wherever I want to add it. So I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to take the design that I want, which is torn, and I'm just going to drag it into my poster. Then I'm going to close this out. So I have this one, and I'm going to open it up. While I have the whole folder selected, I'm going to go ahead and resize it. So I'm going to press my Shift key, and I'm going to bring this up and press Enter. Actually, I want to move all that down at the same time, so let me bring the whole thing, and I'm going to drag it underneath the sports player, press Auto Select Group, and I'm just going to drag it down to where I want it. Just about right about here. And then I'm going to come back to Auto Select Layer so I can move around these individual elements. I'm going to move this ball down here. I'm going to grab my player, and I'm going to right arrow him over. This name, I'm going to left arrow, and this seems a little close to the edge, so I'm going to grab it and pull it over. And now to change his the color of the name, I'm going to come over to the Type tool, click on the color, and then select a color in his uniform that I like. Once I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and copy that color, so I'm pressing Control-C to copy it so that I can use it in the future if I need it. So if I want to, I can change his name. You can also change the font if you decide you want a different font. There's whatever font you would want to have. You could change it to, oh, I only selected part of it. But I'm going to leave it the way it is. Well, that changed the name back, but you saw how to change the name. So now I'm going to come and get my other elements that I want to use. I'm clicking on Move Tool, File, Open, and I'm going to come over to this one, Open, and I'm going to use this right here. So I'm going to grab that whole folder, drag this down, grab the whole folder and bring it in. And that's all I need out of that group, so I'm going to close that out. Auto Select Group. Okay, I got that base inside the torn folder, so I'm going to bring it above so that it's not in there. Okay, now I want to put this baseball above the base, so I'm going to drag that up and drag it out. I pressed Enter. I'm going to change the color of this base. So I'm turning this color on that is attached to the base. Double click it, and I'm going to paste that color in there that I picked before. And then for this color, I'm going to create a hue saturation. So I'm going to come up to here, click Hue Saturation, right click, Create Clipping Mask, and then I'm going to press the saturation all the way to the left to make that black and white. Okay, now we need to add our number. So I'm going to File, Open, and my number is in here that I want to use. And I'm going to grab this number and drag it in. and bring it over, resize, close this, and I'm going to change the color of this, paste in my color. There you have it. It's all completely changed. If I wanted to change the number, I could change the number. And so that is how you change, how you can create a poster with these sports design elements. If you have any questions about this product, please fill out a ticket on my website and I'll be happy to answer any questions or create any new tutorials that are needed so that you can best use this product.
Hey, that was easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any of our products, you can always reach us at EasyDigitals.com. Have a creative day.